In this video I am going to show you how to turn on guided access on iPhone 11. Actually this is a very helpful option. By using this option you can confidently give your iPhone to any other person. Let's see how to do that. Just open the settings app and scroll down a little bit. Then you can see this option accessibility. Just open that. Now scroll down to the end. Then under general you can see this option guided access. Just open that. Then turn on this option. Okay, how this guided access works? Actually, if you turn on this option, your iPhone stuck on a single app and it allows you to control which features are available. For example, if you turn on the guided access for camera app, then you give your iPhone to your friend, he can only use the camera app. You don't have any option to move to other stuffs. Let's see that. After you turn on the guided access, minimize this and open the app you want to turn on guided access. For me, I just open the Notes app. Then after you open the app, triple click the side button. Then you can see this option. Just tap guided access. Now on the bottom you can see the options. Click that. Here you can give the control. If the toggle button was turned on means they can use this option. Here all the options was turned on, so they can have the access to side button, volume up and down button and keyboard. They can edit the words on the Notes app. If you don't want to give access means you can turn it here. I just cut the keyboard access. Let's see. Then tap start. And you need to set a separate passcode for this guided access. To verify this, again enter the passcode. Okay. Now the guided access was started. Now give your iPhone to a friend or anyone. They just stuck on the Notes app. They can't edit anything. If I tap the side button, nothing will happen. If I click the volume up button, down button, nothing. Nothing works. To access this guided access, just triple click the side button and enter the password you set. Then tap end. Yeah, now guided access was turned off. And this is how you can turn on guided access on iPhone 11. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.